Here are a few additional things to keep in mind when eating or drinking with a business contact. Choose the location carefully. If you're the one choosing the meeting place, your decision can tell your guest about who you are and how you do business. You want to find the right balance of price, quality, and atmosphere, said Fox. Choose a well-known restaurant noted for excellent service and food, she said. Nothing expensive, but not extravagant. A restaurant where there is enough privacy and quiet space to have a business conversation. Fox also advised asking about your guest, food preference or allergies, so you can take that into consideration when choosing a location. Remember your etiquette basics. Wait for the other person to start eating. Chew with your mouth closed. Don't talk with food in your mouth, etc. Weston said. Fox agreed, adding that you should use the proper utensils if you're having a sit-down meal. I also suggest always avoiding eating anything messy, said the Spritzer. Choose a safe meal. While you don't want to come off as a corporate robot, you should be aware of your manners in this type of setting, much like on a first date or at dinner with the in-laws. You might consider avoiding any food that's bound to make a mess.